In our next example, we're going to make things a little bit more complicated. It's still based on straws, but this time we're going to say that if the customer has 0 to 50 straws, we're going to charge a flat fee of $25. If the number of straws is something between 51 and 150 straws, we're going to charge $35. And anything above, after 151 straws, the program should charge first the $35, and after that $10 for extra increment of 30 straws. So if I had, for example, 170 straws, it would be 35 plus 10, that would be $45. So let's try to set this up. I'm going to call this my special rule. Again, we found this weird buttons here. The images are, placed wrongly. And hopefully, as you're watching this video, we have already had the chance to fix. So as I hover the mouse, I see that the button doesn't look proper, but the button is actually working correctly. This is add, this is edit, and this is delete. It was just a mistake that the button was, images were not set properly. But again, we're going to address this, and hopefully as you're watching this video, the images should be already in the right spot. I'm going to click here, and I'm going to call this frozen semen special rule because it's a more complex one. It's going to be based on per straw, and I'm going to click OK, my special rule. And now here on this side, I'm going to do the rule description. Again, 0 to 50, 25, 51, 35, and over 151, $10 extra. Let's see how that works. Highlight this guy and create the rule. Is this a flat fee per unit? No. Is this rate composed of static increments? No, because it varies. After 150, it's going to be a specific rule. So is this a static increment? I'm going to say no. So the first level, it's going to be from 1, and like we said, up to 50 straws. So this is the first level. Is this the flat price for this quantity range? No. So the quantity range here is going to be 25. Let's take a look again at our notes. So 0 to 50, 25. Would you like to add more levels? Yes. So the next level starts from where I left, so 51 up to 150. That's my next level. 51 to 150 is going to cost $35. So, okay. Is this a flat price for this quantity range? No. What is the price for this quantity range? It's going to be $35 for this quantity range. Okay. Add more levels? No. Would you like to set up static increments from this point on? Yes. So after the 35, what is the number of increment? And as per our rule, every increment of 30 straws. So every time we increment 30 straws, you should add $10 after the 35. So after this is going to be for each increment of 30 straws, the price is going to be $10 for each increment. And there we go. So If the customer has, for example, 20 straws, it's going to be $25. If the customer has 52 straws, it's going to be $35. If the customer has 200 straws, so the first 150 is going to be 35. So 150 for 200, we have left 50 straws. The increments is for $30, 30 straws. So the 50 left is going to leave us with 2 increments, one of 30 and the other one with 20. So it's going to be 35 plus 10 and plus 10. So the monthly amount for that one would be $35, $45, $55 for 200 straws. So today you've learned how to do complex rules, special rules for frozen semen inventory in WISE Option. Thanks for watching.